Today we will learn how to download VS Code. Go to your browser and search VS Code. Select first website on the top. Select Windows option if you are Windows user. Download started you can see on the bottom left side. After download complete, open the folder where it is downloaded and install it. Click I accept the agreement and then press Next. Set the path where you want to install VS Code. Select Create a desktop icon and press Next. Press Next again. Now installation started. Now press Finish. This is the interface of VS Code. PC folder icon, select to open your recreate folder. We can see the folder in front of the folder name. You can see the icon of new file here. We give the name of file using the extension .html. Now you can see the interface where you can write HTML code.
Thanks for watching.